Hi, I'm about to show you my Resonant mod setup. Well, I've got my dual mod here, but I'm not using that mod, so I'm only using one, and this is going to ground. Yeah. I have the output going into two capacitors rated at, I think, 2100 volts. At the one of them, I think this one is 1.14 microfarads. This is 1.30, and they're in parallel. So yeah, so this is just a single mod. I've never actually tried this before, and because I've got the ballast over there, I'm gonna have it switched off with this. I mean, there's big arcs with the ballast too, but they're even bigger without it, of course. And these are my safety glasses. Yeah, Dad's or Mum's, I can't remember. I wasn't born. Alright. Some big arcs. Alright, overexpose the camera. But that was about 2 foot. Whoa. Alright. Just wanted to show you that. Alright, I've got more caps up here. This is a really old one. It's big, but yeah, I don't think it works that well. It came with that mod that I barely use because it's my biggest, but it barely does anything. It's really old. Alright. Hopefully I can update you with a video with more capacitors. Yeah. If you want to give me any tips about anything to make it better, just let me know. I'll reply in comments. Alright. Thanks for watching.